On today's video, I'm gonna show you how to make the most amazing chicken wings you've never had. Now, I once heard a guy say, hey, opinions are like assholes. Everybody's got one. And I found that to be no different when it comes to chicken wings. So today, I'm gonna show you my asshole, or my opinion. So we all have our favorite chicken wing, right? You go to the freaking chicken wing restaurant, they got 98 flavors now, a sauce, and you never can pick which one. You wanna try them all, but you can't do it, because it'd cost you a small fortune. That's when I had the idea. Bing! Light went off in my head. So a few years back, we made our own wing dust, and the great thing about it is if you're cooking wings, everybody can have the flavor they want. We got 11 flavors so far, and they're growing. But today, I'm gonna show you one that is my favorite. Is my favorite. It's not the best seller, but it is my favorite. And it's Nashville hot chicken wing dust. So today, we're gonna be cooking wings on the Masterbuilt because, man, I'm gonna tell you right now, this thing is freaking awesome, and I'm falling in love with it, and I can't wait till they make the bigger one. But we got this one today, so without further ado, let's get to cooking some wings. Man, we haven't had any freaking chicken wings in a while, so we're gonna be banging out some Nashville hot chicken wings with some homemade blue cheese dressing. So without further ado, let's just jump right into this. And don't worry, all of the recipe is down in the description. Go print it off, make it at home. Get ready. All right, so here's what we got. Sour cream, mayo. We're gonna make this first so we can put it in the fridge and let it cool down. Let it come together. Can't forget the blue cheese. Minced parsley, tablespoon. Tablespoon of lemon juice. And I'm gonna put some SPG in here just to flavor it. Just a little bit, just a little bit. And then some half and half or milk, or you can even use water if you wanted to. And this is just to thin it out. So you can play with it. Well, this looks good too. You like your blue cheese thick or thin?
I'm kind of new to blue cheese, but I like it pretty thick. What do you like?
I think I like mine thick too, but we wanted to make this first so we could put it in the fridge and let it all cool down. I'm gonna taste it. Oh my gosh, that's so good. Now that we got that out of the way, we're gonna be cooking these wings on the Masterbuilt today. And what we're gonna be doing is season them with some SPG, and then when we're done, we're gonna toss them in some Nashville hot chicken wing dust. We got the celery, we got the carrots, if that's your thing. Get out of here. So without further ado, let's get to cooking some wings. So cool, man. We're gonna be cooking these at 300 degrees, so they're probably not gonna take that long. I went on ahead and put some spray butter down on they're cast iron grates too. We haven't showed them the bottom of the grate, have we?
We haven't turned them over.
The grate flips over. So you got a flat side on one, and then on the other side, it's more of a triangle for searing steaks and stuff like this. We should flip them over. We should actually do that. Let's do that. Oh, it says smoke and grill, right? Smoke and sear. I don't want to sear on that side though, because that chicken skin will stick to it. Look at him again. Oh, man, I'm really impressed with this cooker. I want the big one. We're supposed to get them in today, right? We'll have these in the store. Nice. Did you get any Nashville hot wing dust? Jesus, man. I'm sorry, Wes.
I'm getting used to it.
Oh, shoot, Bay.
Yeah.
Shoot Bay's letting us down.
Go down into the comments.
Go down in the comments. We've been calling Matt Shoot Bay. But if you gotta, he's our assistant. He's actually doing a killer job, man.
He's doing great.
But like that guy, I mean, people want to hire guys like that.
You're lucky if you get to hire.
Yeah, he kills it here. He does all the wholesale orders, all the regular orders, runs the warehouse, runs all the inventory, and his shoot bay. Apparently Bob cooked some burnt ends, and the second we got all back here, he started eating them. He wasn't going to share with them, so let's go try them out. Let's try one. See what you think. That's pretty good, dude.
That work? That's my first time. All right, Wes, you want one?
That's pretty good.
What's on them?
I got like cow cover hot, got Texas beef, SPG, honey killer bee, and apple chipotle right there.
That's a little one.
Chuck's on the phone, he's missing out.
He'll tell you they need more salt.
And the grass.
Well, I gotta tell you, man, these smell absolutely wonderful. And if you're stuck at home, nothing to do, this is one recipe I highly suggest you cook, because we're still shipping. Oh man. These are freaking phenomenal. The skin's crusty. It's almost like we fried them. I said crusty. It's not crusty, it's crispy. Hey man, I hope you enjoyed the video, and don't forget, we got a giveaway going on, so click the first link down in the description. Go over there, get signed up, and you never know, you could win a cooker just like this. Hey, and if you like what we're doing, why don't you click on this video and I'll catch you over there. Peace.